Fall.
Fall.
Fall is my favorite season.
Fall is my favorite season.
Leaves.
Leaves.
The leaves change color in fall.
The leaves change color in fall.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
We bought a pumpkin at the market.
We bought a pumpkin at the market.
Apple.
Apple.
I love eating apples in fall.
I love eating apples in fall.
Sweater.
Sweater.
It's time to wear a sweater.
It's time to wear a sweater.
Scarf.
Scarf.
She put on a warm scarf.
She put on a warm scarf.
Chilly.
Chilly.
The mornings are chilly now.
The mornings are chilly now.
Crisp.
Crisp.
The air feels crisp and cool.
The air feels crisp and cool.
Rain.
Rain.
It often rains in the fall.
It often rains in the fall.
Boots.
Boots.
I wear boots in wet weather.
I wear boots in wet weather.
Windy.
Windy.
It's getting windy outside.
It's getting windy outside.
Rake.
Rake.
We rake leaves every weekend.
We rake leaves every weekend.
Bonfire.
Bonfire.
We had a bonfire last night.
We had a bonfire last night.
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
We celebrate Thanksgiving in November.
We celebrate Thanksgiving in November.
Halloween.
Halloween.
Halloween is a fun fall holiday.
Halloween is a fun fall holiday.
Acorn.
Acorn.
A squirrel picked up an acorn.
A squirrel picked up an acorn.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Squirrels are busy in the fall.
Squirrels are busy in the fall.
Cozy.
Cozy.
I feel cozy with a blanket.
I feel cozy with a blanket.
Candle.
Candle.
She lit a cinnamon-scented candle.
She lit a cinnamon-scented candle.
Harvest.
Harvest.
Fall is the time for harvest.
Fall is the time for harvest.
Corn.
Corn.
Corn is ready to pick now.
Corn is ready to pick now.
Hay.
Hay.
We saw hay bales in the field.
We saw hay bales in the field.
Pie.
Pie.
I made an apple pie.
I made an apple pie.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon smells like fall.
Cinnamon smells like fall.
Maple.
Maple.
Maple leaves turn bright red.
Maple leaves turn bright red.
Foggy.
Foggy.
It was foggy this morning.
It was foggy this morning.
November.
November.
November is usually cold.
November is usually cold.
Flannel.
Flannel.
He wore a flannel shirt.
He wore a flannel shirt.
Mug.
Mug.
I drank hot tea from a big mug.
I drank hot tea from a big mug.
Blanket.
Blanket.
She wrapped herself in a soft blanket.
She wrapped herself in a soft blanket.